the RadRunner Plus electric bike.
Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll look at the RadRunner Plus electric bike. I'll go over specs, features, and then take the bike out for a spin. A special thanks to Rad Power for sending out the bike for review.
The bike comes in a very large box and requires just a small amount of assembly as the major components are already in place. I would suggest having additional help to remove the bike from the box. Inside you can see it's packaged well with a lot of styrofoam. Once removed from the box, you can see the front wheel and handlebars that need to be installed, along with the front fenders. It also comes with a toolkit so you can complete the installation process. I'm not going to go through the whole install process as Rad Power provides a lot of resources online. They have a great video that I have linked in the description that assisted me in the assembly process. And this is how it looks once it's assembled. It took me about 1 hour. The RadRunner Plus has a 750 watt gear hub motor, 48 volt, 14 amp hour lithium ion battery, and it takes 7 hours to fully charge. You get up to 45 plus miles per charge, top speed of 20 miles per hour, and it's a class 2. It's 7-speed, front and rear disc brakes. It has an aluminum frame which weighs 75 pounds and a max payload of 300 pounds. Pedal assist and half twist throttle, suspension forks, front and rear fenders, 20-inch puncture resistant tires, low step frame, and LCD display. There are an assortment of accessories available on the website. I'll be adding the center console, and you can see the mount points in the middle of the frame. Just use the supplied screws to install it. The console is plastic and it's very light. It uses rubber straps on the front and the back to lock the lid, and it has a cup holder on the top and a space for belongings just in front of it. Inside you can see the drain holes and how spacious it is. And here it is installed on the bike. The RadRunner Plus has a passenger package with the espresso handle grips and seats. On the front, you'll find the accessory mount, LED light, and front fender. Looking at the front wheel, you'll find the reflective sidewall, front disc brakes, and brake pads. As we look at the center of the frame, it is a step through. You have the seat adjustment, accessory mounts, the on and off, and battery. The rear section, you'll find the passenger seat, wheel skirt, rear disc, brake pads, and kickstand. The rear view, you can see the brake lights, foot pegs, and rear fender. Looking at the right side, you also have the wheel skirt, cassette, motor, and the charge port for the battery. The front fork has suspensions, and you have the adjustment knob on the left side and the adjustment lock on the right. The left side of the handlebar, you'll see the brake handle, bell, handle grip, and display remote. On the center is the display along with the USB port so you can charge devices. And finally, on the right side, you have the gear shifter, brake handle, handle grip, and the twist throttle. This is how the bell sounds. And using the remote, it allows you to toggle the odometer, trip, operation mode with 5 power assist levels, handle, and walk. Getting on and off the bike doesn't take a lot of effort, and I prefer a step-through frame. Controls are very intuitive and easy. They are straightforward and the display is large and easy to read. The bike feels solid and it's comfortable. Power is instant when using the shift throttle. The flashing lights on the front and back are the Bond Treasure RT lights, which I installed for additional visibility. Shifting to the power assist levels, you can definitely feel the power and less effort in pedaling as you move it higher. The sound from the motor is not that loud, but you will hear the winding sound. Here you can see me testing it up on a hill. The terrain is a bit rough. The suspension forks do help in absorbing a lot of the bumps.
Now I'm gonna go full speed here, 20 miles per hour.
The bike is also able to power through inclines, as you can see it here working its way up the road. Overall, I found the bike to be very impressive. It has a unique style and design that stands out. I got a lot of looks and compliments from many people passing by. The setup and assembly is fairly simple, and the videos from the website along with the user manual was a big help. During my test, I logged 30 miles on the bike, switching from various levels of the pedal assist along with using just a shift throttle. It's very responsive and easy to control. It was able to power through uphill, downhill, and semi-rough terrain. So definitely good for an all-around commuting bike, but not something you would take off-road. Depending on how much you use the shift throttle and pedal assist, your 45-mile range will vary. The suspension fork and tires provide a smooth ride. I like the passenger seat accessory as you can have the main seat leveled with it and more space to sit back. There are many accessories and configurations you can do with all the mount points on the front, back, and center. The center console is a must, in my opinion, as it provides easy storage of your belongings such as your tools, phone, or even your helmet. Bottom line is this is an excellent electric bike for commuting or just pleasure. Solid build quality, good range, and many features. So that is my review of the RadRunner Plus electric bike. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.